In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can rotate alt text in the table in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. First is you just need to open your Microsoft Word document that has a table in it. Now what can we do is we just need to select the whole table. On how we can select the whole table, you will notice these four arrows right here in the left pane. Simply click on that and you have just selected the whole table. Now make a right click and then you'll have this option text direction. Click on that. So if you want to go with this way, you can also have the preview. Just simply click on OK and you'll have it. If you want to go the other direction like this, you also have the preview from here and click on OK and that's it. That's how you can easily do it. You can also adjust this to make the text easier to read like that. So that's it. That's how you can easily do it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.